You are going to love the 2022 Forester. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, inside you'll find trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.